A very good morning, dear Shemstars. Welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are safe. Children, today we are going to begin with our next chapter. Let's begin. Alright, class 5. So today we are going to begin with our next chapter, that is lesson 6, formatting a presentation. Children, we have learned so many things about presentation in our previous chapter, lesson 5, and there are few important things that we are going to discuss in this lesson today. First is working with Slide Master, then creating a new custom layout, and then changing color scheme. This is all that we have to do in Slide Master. So children, first of all, let me tell you about what is a Slide Master and where is it. Children, you will have so many tabs that you can see above. Here one tab we have is View tab. So if you go to View tab here, click on View tab and you will have so many options under View tab. And we are going to find out where is the Slide Master. So if you go here in Master Views group, you will find out option Slide Master. So what is a Slide Master and why do we want to use the Slide Master? It's very important to understand, children. You know what it is? If you have many slides with lot of content, images, and you have to change the font color, font style, and supposing if you want to make changes in your slides, what do we have to do is we have to go to these slides one by one and change whatever you want. But what happens is that is actually very time consuming. It takes a lot of time because suppose you have say 20 slides for your presentation, and if you have to go for changing the font color, if you have to go to change for the scheme or theme or maybe style, whatever you want, then it takes a lot of time to change these slides one by one. So Slide Master is a beautiful option, I would say wonderful option that simplifies it for you. So let's see how it works. So children, this is already that we are in PowerPoint presentation. I have showed you that view option, view tab we have, and in view tab we have master views, and in master views we have Slide Master. So once we click on this, you will find out all the slides here on the left hand side, and this is your Slide Master view. And children, it is very important in this, whatever changes you make, whatever the things you would like to do in this slide. If you want to use footer in this slide, if you go here and use footer for your slide, and I have told you already about what is footer and what for footer is used, and supposing you want to write in the name of the school in your slide, so you can use your footer here, and if we write here name of the school, this will appear automatically in all the slides. You don't have to do anything for that. So whatever changes we make here, that will be done automatically for all the slides. So what options you have? You have footer, you can do, you have themes here, you can go for the themes, whichever the theme you want, you can change. And supposing I have chosen this theme, and if you want maybe font color to be changed, you can go here and change the font style, supposing Calibri. And if you want to go for the background styles, you can go here and pick up whichever the background style you want for your slides. So you can pick up this. Then you have so many things that you have. You can give effects to your slides. So whatever changes you make here, that will appear automatically in all the slides So all different colors, different styles of writing, different sizes, then what happens is it does not give a neat look to your presentation. So if you want your presentation should look very neat, then you all have to do is one thing. Whatever the content you write in your slides, maybe you have 10 slides, you have 20 slides, you write down the content, you place image also, whatever you want. But if you format that formatting would be common for all the slides. That gives, a beautiful look to your presentation. So this is what we can do in Slide Master. Then you know all about inserting. What do we have is we can have shapes. You can insert different shapes into your document. It's very important once you make any kind of a change in your Slide Master and you want to see that effect, whether this effect is applied to your slides or not, it's very important that you close your master view. So if I close it, now you can see whatever the effect we applied, whatever the formatting feature we applied in Slide Master, that is applied automatically in these two slides. So this is a beauty of this feature. So you know about the inserting shapes also. We can insert shapes into Slide Master, and that will remain again common for all the slides. And we can have shape, any kind of a shape. Even I told you already about the footer. So in footer, if you want to use some image, maybe a school logo you want to use in all the slides, yes, you can keep that logo and get the picture here in Slide Master down, and after that you will see that logo picture in all the slides automatically. So next time I'm going to show you about how to insert logo. Thank you, Shemstars. That's all for today. Hope you understood the topic very well. If you have any doubts, you can drop your queries in the Google Classroom. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.